Hey y'all, I just released my first financial literacy ebook, How I Became Debt Free in 22 Months. This is an easy, educational, and encouraging guide. I want you to check it out. It's only $5. Look in the link in the description box below and click that button. Hey y'all, so I decided to make some mashed potatoes. I saw somebody make them online in a blender, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this. Of course, I had to wash my potatoes first. I just got some regular russets, but get the kind that you like. I also peeled them, of course. I got this peeler from Dollar Tree. I feel like I need another one, but this one was kind of getting the job done. I just had 3 large russets. I'm only making this recipe for me, so I did not need anything too big. But I like peeling potatoes, y'all. I feel like it's a little therapeutic. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know. Do you like peeling potatoes? And how do you peel your potatoes? I know some people will just, do the good old Southern fashion way with the knife. But baby, I ain't that handy with the knife, okay? I need a peeler. But it is very important that you wash your potatoes because you don't know what pesticides or what all other gook is on them. So make sure to give them a good wash. I did cut these off camera. As you can see, I cut them the long way. I had my pot, my medium-sized pot. This is really my potatoes pot, and I'm using some chicken broth. I use this, or I found this tip from Divas Can Cook, so shout out to her. I think it just seasons the potatoes up just enough so you don't have to do too much towards the end to get them seasoned to your liking. I did bring these to a boil. I did cook them probably for like 30-ish minutes. I like for them to be soft, okay? So you definitely want to make sure that, you can get a knife through them. Now, I put them in the blender. Typically, I would, mash them up. But I was like, okay, I'm going to try this. And I might have put too much, y'all. I added some cheese and some whole milk as well. I don't think I put enough milk, y'all, but I was scared because I didn't want to drown them. I probably should have, topped it off. So it did take me a little minute to get these blended just right. As you can see, it was only going towards the bottom where the milk was. So your girl definitely had to, kind of poke and prod just a bit. But I really like how pureed they were. Oh my goodness. These came out so good. Now, I like my mashed potatoes just a little chunky in there. I like to be able to chew it up while I'm eating it. That's just my thing. So once I got it, blended as best as I could, your girl did give it a stir. And I did season them up a bit as well with a little bit of seasoning salt. You listen, you know me, we season it over here, okay? So y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, are you trying my blender mashed potatoes?